Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone lagging issue on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, close all the open apps on your iPhone. So for this, swipe up to close all apps. So I have the closed all apps here. And then after this, the next solution is clear the cache. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, go to Safari here and scroll down and tap on clear history and website data. So after this, the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, press and hold the power button until the slide to power off slider appears. So for this, and slide the right to restart your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, then the next solution is check for updates. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so update your iPhone to the latest next available version. So I have the latest version here. And then after this, the next solution is reset your iPhone without any data delete. So for this, go to settings, go to general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings here, enter your passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. And then after this, the next solution is check for hardware issues. If none of the above steps work, it's possible that there's a hardware issue with your iPhone. Take it to an Apple store or authorized service center for further diagnosis. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.